Hi friends, my name is Puneet Ballab and from today I am going to start new classes for hardware and networking. As we all know that some of us are interested in building our career in field of hardware and networking. So in that case we need some basic informations as well as some advanced informations. So we will start from very basic and I'll try to explain it as easy as possible. After doing this basic course, you can go for further courses. There are various certifications available. Today there are various international certifications are available in the market. They are from Microsoft, MCITP, Microsoft Certified IT Professional. Another course is from Cisco, that is CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Likewise, Red Hat has certification of Red Hat Certified Engineer. This is Linux based course, and there are various small certifications are from HP, Novell, Sun, etc. You can choose any of these courses and you can make your career in hardware and networking field. After doing those international certification courses, you can go for various job prospects are available these days, like desktop support engineer, network engineer, system administration, and FMS, that is facility management services. Various companies are providing facility management services to other companies and they provide engineers and technical support to those companies. You can go and search these jobs from Naukri.com or Monster.com or any other job portal sites. So come on, let us start from the very basic concepts. Might be you all must be knowing this, but if you know, that is well and good. It is just revision for you, and those who don't know will follow this lesson carefully. So first of all, what is computer? Computer is an electronic data processing device which collects data and instructions and process it and gives us desired result. Like we take example, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Here 6 and 3 are data and this plus sign is instruction. So we have given these data and instructions to the computer and it processed it and given us a result. This part is result. So in the whole cycle, what we did, we have given data plus instructions and computer gives us desired result after processing it or after calculating it. So in this entire cycle, what happens? What happens is IPO. What is this? We provide input and computer processes it and gives us output. So computer is an electronic device which processes data according to the given instructions and gives us desired result. Computer is classified into two sections. One is hardware and other is software. What is hardware? Hardware are those devices which we can touch and feel, like monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, etc. And what is software? Software is set of instructions or programs like Windows 8, MS Office, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, etc. Hardware can be again classified into two parts, that is input devices and output devices. Likewise, software is also classified into two parts. First is system software, another is application software. System software is also known as operating system. We will see all these things step by step. So hardware is divided into two parts, input devices and output devices. What are input devices? Input devices are those devices by which we give instructions to computer, like keyboard, mouse, mic, scanner, and so on. Likewise, what is output device? Output devices are those devices by which we get results. We get results on monitor, printer, speaker, and so on. If you know, nowadays some devices are which are input devices as well as output device, like ATM, tablet, smartphones, etc. Like in ATM, tablet and smartphone, we give instructions from screen itself and we get results from that screen itself. It means the screen is working as a output as well as input device. Like hardware, software is also classified into two parts. First is system software, another is application software. System software is also known as operating system, like Windows 8, Linux, Macintosh. These all are operating system and also known as system software. The system software only provides platform to interact with computer. We will see this system software or operating system later on. What is application software? Application software is a software where user is working and he is getting result accordingly. The real heroes are these application softwares where we work basically. The very popular application software is MS Office. It is collection of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. The other useful software is CorelDRAW, where people use to design. This is mostly used for desktop publishing work. The other is Photoshop for photo editing, AutoCAD for engineers, hospital management software and school management software. Games are also type of application software. So these are softwares where people used to work with. Now let us see this diagram. We will try to understand difference between system software and application software. First, we used to buy hardware, be it desktop or laptop, and after buying that hardware, we first of all we install operating system like Windows 8 or Linux, etc. So the first layer is hardware and second layer is system software, that is operating system. And after installing this operating system, we install application softwares like MS Office, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, etc. So the first thing is we have to install operating system or system software on hardware. Like car is useless because without petrol, so the hardware, the piece of hardware is useless without software. Now let us see a very important topic, that is operating system. Operating system is, as you all know, system software. Operating system is an interface between user and computer. Operating system, what operating system do? Operating system provides a platform to interact this user to this computer. Like if we are giving a print command, then user gives that instructions to the operating system. Operating system understands and it starts to interact with hardware, that is printer, and it gives printout. So operating system plays very important role. Operating system provides interface between user and computer. It is a very important platform. In this class, we will learn about signal. As you all know, everyone is saying that technology has been changed. I want to know what technology has been changed. What do you mean by technology has been changed? So the major thing is everything has been changed from analog to digital. Every devices, like audio tapes. Earlier we were using audio tapes, that is been converted into CDs and DVDs. Like speedometer, earlier that they were analog. Now in car, in bikes, the speedometers are digital. Earlier we were using analog watches. Now there are digital watch available. So everything is changing from analog to digital. Now we are living in digital age. So let us understand what is difference between analog and digital. In analog, the signal is like this. It means it gradually increases and gradually decreases. It gradually increases and gradually decreases. But in case of digital, it randomly increases and randomly decreases. It means the position, this position is on position and this position is off position. It means here we get signal, here we didn't get signal. So we can say on position is known as 1 and off position is known as 0. From here itself, this 0 and 1 comes. 0 and 1. These are bits. So our computer is a digital device. Computer is a digital device. It understands only 0 and 1s. This is bits. Now we will see number system. Number system. In number system, first one is binary number system. Binary number system have 2 digits, 0 and 1. Likewise, in octal, there are 8 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8 numbers, 8 digits. In decimal number system, there are 10 digits. 0 is the one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10 digit. Likewise, in hexadecimal, there are 16 digits. From starting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Because there are no numbers after 9, so in hexadecimal, alphabets are used A, B, C, D, E, F. So counting all these will get 16 digits. So in day-to-day life, we use decimal number system. Like we say 100 rupees or 50 kilograms. So these all are decimal number system. But our computer understands binary number system. Computer only understands binary number system. It is not going to understand decimal number system. So there must be some mechanism to change this decimal number system to binary number system. Now, as we know, our computer understands digital binary number system, that is 0 and 1. So our 8 bits when combined is become 1 byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Likewise, 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes, and 1 megabyte is equal to 10 to the 1024 kilobyte. Likewise, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte and exabyte. I want to tell you that why this is 1024. While we generally use 1 kilo is equal to 1000. Why it is 1024? Because we use number system generally decimal number system, but here these all are binary number system. So in binary number system there is 2, then 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, doubling it 128, doubling it 256, 512, and here comes 1024. As you have seen, in case of RAM, we used to say 512 or 512 MB or 256 MB. So we use binary number system in computers. When we type any character might be alphabets A, B, C, D or so on. It may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or any symbol, asterisk, plus sign, dollar sign, hash sign. So when we type any character on the keyboard, that means we are giving instructions to computer in form of bits. Every character is equal to 8 bits. For example, if we type A, then it will go like this: 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 bits. Likewise, if we type any number, it will also be converted into bits. How many bits? 8 bits. Likewise, if we type any symbol, it is also converted into bits. So every character, be it alphabet, number or symbol, is equal to 8 bits. Now we will see the main parts of computer. First is Central Processing Unit, CPU. This is heart of computer. Basically all the processing works are being conducted here only. CPU is made up with number of transistors. CPU is made with number of transistors. The other one is RAM. RAM is temporary storage, and it is also volatile. Volatile means when electricity is coming, then it will work, and when computer is powered off, it is shut down, this temporary storage will wiped out. It means RAM is having temporary storage. Other one is hard drive, which is a storage device. It store data permanently, so it is a permanent storage device. Like in processor, there are processors available from Intel and AMD. Likewise in RAM, there are 2 or 3 types of RAM. DDR1, DDR2 and DDR3 is nowadays very popular. It is coming 1 GB, 2 GB variants, and hard drive. Nowadays 500 GB and 1 TB hard drive are common in use. So these are main parts of computer. Now we will see what is booting process. Like when we power on computer, then it starts booting. What happens during this booting process? During this booting process, the thing only happens is operating system comes from hard drive to RAM. Our operating system, like Windows 8 or Windows 7, it starts coming from hard drive, and a minimal version is loaded into this RAM, because RAM is temporary and it is fast. So a user like us, we used to work on RAM. We always work on RAM. What we are doing, if we are designing anything, if we are working on MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, where we are working? We are working on this RAM, not on hard drive. So in the booting process, what happens? The OS starts to come from hard disk to this RAM, and when we save something, then from RAM it goes to hard drive. And because hard drive is permanent storage, then when we save something, it goes to hard drive and is stored there permanently.